My name is Ashley Acosta, and I'm a registered nurse in Adult Psych. A year ago yesterday would have been the last day that me and my whole family got together in a family event. Little did I know 2 weeks later, my grandmother would contract COVID-19, and then 3 days later, my father would also contract COVID-19. By the time my birthday on August 17th, about 6 of my family members had COVID-19. Within that week, my father and my grandmother both was admitted to the COVID unit. I talked to my dad as much as I could during this time. And I have text messages of him saying how awful it was, how many panic attacks he had due to seeing people just coding around him. My dad, unfortunately, had to say goodbye to his mother the day before his birthday, on September 3rd, which is also his grandson's birthday. My dad was very sad that he had to say goodbye to his mother over FaceTime. My dad, unfortunately, weeks went on and he did not improve. He had to be intubated. It was hard for him. They wanted to intubate him earlier, but because it was his birthday, they waited. My dad turned 55 in the COVID unit in ICU. My dad was intubated September 8th. My dad has text that said this nothing to play about. And honestly, I feel like my dad was in decent condition. He had a triple bypass a few years prior, but he took care of himself. My dad went to the gym. My dad never smoked. The day after actually a couple of days after my dad was intubated, I was told by the doctors that his lungs were already fibrotic and that there was less than a 1% chance for him to make it. I didn't believe him. I knew my dad was a fighter. He held on for 3 more weeks. He unfortunately passed away 26 days after his mother. In December, I decided to get the COVID vaccine in honor of my father and my grandmother, and also to protect my children. I'm a mother of 3, and after my dad passed away, my son cried and told me that his biggest fear was losing me. I would not want anybody to go through what I had to go through and see my father and my grandmother the way they were due to COVID. People are dying every day due to this disease, and it's up to us to take control and to protect those around us. I just encourage you, if you possibly can, to get vaccinated. This disease does not seem like it's going away anytime soon, and it looks like right now we're in the heart of it.